Still using the same cooking oil for everything? That might be messing with your health. Let's break down which oils are actually good for you and which ones belong in the trash. Most people reach for vegetable oil thinking it's healthy, but here's the truth. Many store-bought oils are super processed, high in omega-6, and can quietly cause inflammation over time. The good news, there are way better and tastier options. It's easier than you think. Let's start with the healthiest picks. First up, extra virgin olive oil. This is the gold standard for heart health. It's loaded with antioxidants and those good-for-you monounsaturated fats. I love using it in salad dressings, drizzling it over cooked veggies, or sautéing at low to medium heat. Next, avocado oil. If you're roasting, stir-frying, or need something for high heat, this one's your best friend. Super stable, packed with healthy fats. It can take the heat without breaking down. And for baking or a quick energy boost, try virgin coconut oil, but in moderation. It's rich in medium-chain triglycerides, so it's great for medium heat cooking, or even a bit in your morning coffee if that's your thing. Now, let's talk about oils to limit or avoid. Canola, corn, soybean, sunflower. These are usually highly refined, loaded with omega-6s, and can sneak into packaged foods. Too much of these can mess with your inflammation levels and overall health. So what's the key takeaway? Rotate your oils based on what you're cooking. Use olive oil for dressings and gentle sautéing, avocado oil for frying or roasting, and coconut oil for baking. Trust me, your heart, your brain, and your hormones will thank you. Follow for more nutrition truths that actually make a difference.